Hello dear learners, today in this video I am going to continue exercise 3.1 of your advanced mathematics. Today we will solve question number 11. So question number 11 is given: factorial n is greater than 2 to the power n where n belongs to n and n is greater than 4. That means for n greater than 4, that means from n must be 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. When n will be greater than 4, then this inequality is true. We have to prove it by the method of mathematical induction. So first of all we will start as previous sums. So solution, how will we take? Let Pn is factorial n is greater than 2 to the power n where n belongs to capital N and n is greater than 4. Now see, we will check for n equal to 1. For n equal to 1, we see factorial 1. Factorial 1 is greater than 2 to the power 1. Is not it? Factorial 1 means 1 and factorial greater than 2 to the power 1 means or 2, which is true, which is false, which is false. So up to, we have to say up to n greater than 4. So let's check for n equal to 2. For n equal to 2, why we are taking 2, 3? Because here value of n must be greater than 4. But in the previous sum, this condition was not given. Where n is greater than 4 or anything else, it was not given in the previous sums. In these sums, the one condition is there that n must be greater than 4. So we have to check for all the values below 4. So for n equal to 2, factorial 2 greater than 2 to the power 2. Let's see, is it true or false? Factorial 2 means 2. 2 into 1, 2, and 2 to the 2 means 4, which is also false. Which is false. So when it will be true, then we will assume only. For n equal 3, let's see factorial 3 greater than 2 to the power 3 or not. Factorial 3 means 3 into 2 into 1, that means 6. So 6 greater than 2 cube means 8, which is also false, which is false. Let's see for n equal 3, 4. For n equal 4, factorial 4. Factorial 4 is greater than 2 to the power 4. So factorial 4 means what? Factorial 4 means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that means 24. So 24 is greater than 16. Oh, which is true. Which is true. Is not it? That means something is wrong in this question. Yes, this value should be greater than or equal to 4, because for n equal to 4, the inequality is becoming true. But in question it is given n is greater than 4. But as because the inequality becomes true for the value n equal to 4 only, not greater than 4 at 4. That means the condition must be, it is 100%, it should be greater than equal to 4. That means n may be equal or greater than 4. Then this condition will be will only true. So you will correct the question in book. It must be n greater than or equal to 4. So when it is true, and next step we have to assume it is true for n equal to what? K. So you can write shortly these things. Therefore Pn is true. Pn is true for n greater than or equal to 4. Now we will assume, let us assume let us assume Pn is true for n equal to k. K belongs to natural number. This is rough calculation, ignore this. Now see, so when pk is true, we have to write, therefore pk must be factorial k greater than 2 to the power k, factorial k greater than 2 to the power, as pk is true, so it will be like that. Now we have to prove that Pn is true for n equal to k plus 1. There, that is pk plus 1 is here k factorial k plus 1 is greater than 2 to the power k plus 1. Now see how this inequality sums can be proved. As earlier, some inequalities are proved in the earlier videos, so we will proceed in the same process. So for inequality proof, we always will take equation number 1. So from equation 1, or 1 implies, equation 1 implies, inequality 1 implies factorial k is greater than 2 to the power k. It is assumed. Now we will make left hand side k plus 1. So to make left hand side k plus 1, so k plus factorial k plus 1 means what? Factorial k plus 1 means we can write k plus 1 into factorial k, 1 less, 1 will subtracted, 1 will be subtracted, so k plus 1 into 1 less than k plus 1. 1 less than k plus 1 means what? Factorial k. 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So in left hand side of this inequality, we need factorial k plus 1. So factorial, to get factorial k plus 1, we have to multiply k plus 1 with factorial k, because k plus 1 into factorial k gives us factorial k plus 1. So with factorial k plus 1, if we multiply k plus 1, then we will get factorial k plus 1. So if we multiply both sides, k plus 1, here k plus 1 into factorial k is greater than here k plus 1 into 2 to the power k. Yes or no? Now see, here one line you will write k belongs to n and k must be greater than equal to 4. Now see, left hand side we get this term, we need left hand side, we need k plus 1 factorial k plus 1. So k plus 1 into factorial k plus 1 means factorial k plus 1. Is not it? Yes, left hand side is matched. Now we have to do with right hand side, something with right hand side. How will we do? Give it equation number 2. Now see one thing, factorial k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1 into 2 to the power k. Yes. Now see, if we can prove that this part is greater than 2 to the power k plus 1, then our problem is solved. Now see, since k is greater than or equal to 4, we need 2 to the power k plus 1. That means with 2 to the power k we need into 2. So 2 to the power k into 2 is greater or equal than 2 to the power k plus 1 into 2 to the power k. Now see, now k plus 1 into this thing into 2 to the power k. K plus 1 into 2 to the power k is greater than 2 to the power k into 2. Why I am writing 2 to the power k into 2? Because we need 2 to the power k plus 1. No? 2 to the power k plus 1. So we have multiplied 2. It is true. Why true? Now see, here is the main thing. This thing is true. For what? For what? Why? What is the reason? Because k is greater than equal to 4. So here k is greater than 4. That means here the value of k will be greater than 4. That means 5, 6, 7, etc. So 6 into, suppose k is 5, k not less than 4. So if k is 5, then it is 6 into 2 to the power k and 2 into 2 to the power k. Which one is greater? This one is greater. If we take k is 6, 6 plus 1, 7 into 2 to the power k, here 2 into 2 to the power k. So for every value k greater than 4, this thing is also true. So we can write which is greater than 2 to the power k into 2 means what? 2 to the power k plus 1. Very easy. Now this just some logic should be there. K plus 1 whole into 2 to the power k. Now see, from 2 and 3, k factorial k plus 1 is greater than this part and this part is greater than this part. That means which one is the greatest part? Factorial k plus 1, and which one is the least part? This one. So from 2 and 3, from 2 and 3 we get factorial k plus 1 is greater than 2 to the power k plus 1. That's it.